Hello everyone, welcome to KGEC, and now let's take a look at the third demo challenge. Called Picobrowser. Let me just open the problem statement, and it's a picoCTF challenge. So Picobrowser. Let's read the description. This website can be rendered only by Picobrowser. Go and catch the flag. And if you take a look at the hints here, it says you don't need to download a new web browser. So it seems like a pretty interesting challenge. Let's just open the link to the website which it refers, and as you can see, there's a button with the text flag. Let's see if I can get the flag directly, and I can't. The message it shows is you're not Picobrowser, and here it gives me the browser which I am currently using. So how can we solve this challenge? We may get an idea to trick this website into thinking we are coming from Picobrowser instead of Mozilla Firefox or whatever browser you're using. That can be done by modifying the HTTP request header, in particular the user agent field. Now let's break down what I just said because it seems way too complicated. User agent is basically the information for what browser you're using and what rendering engine. So I'm using this browser by Mozilla, the Gecko engine called Firefox. That's stored in the user agent field of the HTTP request header. What is that? Well, everyone knows about HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So whenever we want to load websites, our computer sends an HTTP request to the server. That request consists of different parts. The topmost part is known as the HTTP header, which contains various useful information and metadata about the place from where the request was sent. So user agent is like that. In fact, why don't I just show you? If I go to inspect the network tab, and let me just refresh the page, so you can see all the different kinds of HTTP requests made to the server. If I look at this one in particular, you find the different headers, the response headers, the request headers. We're interested in the request headers over here, and here's the user agent field which I talked about. We need to somehow change that to a Picobrowser instead of Mozilla Firefox. Now, one way we can do that is by using Python. So let me just show you that. Oops. If I just open my terminal in a new window over here, and I write Python, what I'm going to do is first import the requests library like that, and let me create a new session variable. Oops, session equals requests dot session, just like that. Now what I want to do is connect this session to the website. So I'll do session dot get, and the first argument to this function will be the URL of the website. Well, more specifically, the web page where the flag will be shown, which will be this page over here. So let me just paste that, and now I'll give an optional argument here called headers, which will contain the custom headers which I want to include. So like I said, I want to modify the user agent field of the header. So I will write that exactly in the way it's written, user agent, and I will change that to a Picobrowser, like that. So I obviously got a response object over here. In fact, I should store that response as a variable. See? Now if I just want to display the text of the response, I do that, and whoa, the formatting is wonky. So there are new line characters over here. What I can do is just put this into a print function, print the text of the response so it'll format it all properly. And yep, it's beautiful formatting of the final response which we received after modifying the user agent to Picobrowser. And if you just peruse through the source code, you will find that there is a particular block over here, a code block, which contains the flag for our challenge. Isn't that great? So I copied the flag which I obtained, paste it, and submit it. Et voila, we've just solved this challenge. Thanks for watching.